Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2013 Toyota Sienna LE, 7-passenger all-wheel drive in the pre-dawn gray mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include projector-style headlamps, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, traction control off switch, side mirror adjustments, power windows with the auto feature, power adjustable driver's seat, hands-free controls, integrated backup camera, Bluetooth audio with a hands-free calling, dual zone climate control, USB and auxiliary ports, dual power sliding side doors with jam protection, rear climate controls, third row seating with the manual rear window sunshades, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.